everyone. Yuva Yamini is an event conducted by Rotary Club of Bangalore. When we started Yuva Yamini, the idea behind this event was that many students, we have a lot of Indian students learning Indian classical music, both vocal and instrumental, and both Carnatic and Hindustani. And in both streams, it's a long, rigorous journey. It takes time for children to reach a stage of performance. So we decided that we will give them a grand stage and a platform to perform on, irrespective of what stage they have reached. And we decided to not do this as a competition. We don't judge the performances. We ask the gurus to send in their students, and all the entries that come in, we let the students perform on this grand stage. And we also ensure that we have a large enough audience because we are a large Rotary group. But this time we are doing it online. The way we're doing it is that we have created an FB page. We are taking video entries and we will be releasing these video entries. Now, as part of that, because a lot of young students register for this participation for this event, we are also interviewing some upcoming musicians who are young upcoming musicians who are gaining a lot of popularity these days. So we are just interviewing them to try and understand what their music journey has been and try and get some learnings from them. So as part of this Yuva Yamini Inspiration Series, today we have Surya Gayatri, all the way from Kerala. I'm going to read a little bit about Surya Gayatri I'm sure we all know a lot about her, but I'm going to read some of the facts that I know about her. Surya Gayatri is a 14-year-old, charming young girl with a golden voice, and she's capturing hearts of music lovers across the globe. She hails from the village of Purameri in Vadakara in North Kerala. She is formally trained in Carnatic music by Srimati Anandi and Sri Nishant. Apart from that, Sri Kuldeep M. Pai has been a mentor, both musically and spiritually, and he has guided her to help her navigate her role as an outstanding musician. Her father, Sri P.V. Anil Kumar, is an accomplished Mridangam artist in Kerala, and her mother, Srimati P.K. Divya, is a poetess with a natural flair. Surya Gayatri got the achievement of MS Subbalakshmi Fellowship in Music at a very tender age of 10 from Mumbai Shanmukhananda Sabha. She has also received Trivandrum Kalanidhi Sangeet Ratna Award, Samaj Shakti Award in 2017 with her guru Guldeep M. Pai from Harihara Putra Bhajan Samaj in Mumbai, and recently awarded the Balagana Kala Bharati Award by Bharat Kalachar in Chennai. Moreover, she has a total viewership of more than 20 crores in YouTube. And she is the main singer of the music series Vande Guru Paramparam, produced by Kuldeep M. Pai. And she's all of 14. So welcome, Surya Gayatri. We are so happy.
Thank you. Namaste.
You agreed to speak to us.
Thank you.
So we want to start with asking you, what has been your musical journey? Where did you start? When did you start? Who did you start learning from, and so on?
Okay. So I started learning music at the age of 5 under one guru, Sri Nishant sir. So he's my father's best friend also. So my father is a Mridangam artist, and our family is a music background family. So it was easy for me to catch the learning process. So from Nishant sir, I started learning, and from past 4 years, I am learning from Srimati Anandi teacher from Calicut, and as a mentor, I have Sri Kuldeep M. Pai sir also.
And do you learn online from the other guru, Srimati Anandi, or you go and visit her?
Yes, I from this lockdown I started from Skype, but otherwise I in the past 4-5 months I started in the Skype. Otherwise, I go to her home and learn.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
So, can you tell me? So, were you always very interested? Did your parents have to, kind of force you to go, or you were always very interested in music?
No, I was interested in music actually. So they realized that I was catching the tune of music and everything from my tender age only. So they just gave me a guru and started learning. So my father was also very interested in music. So he's also from this music field. So that's why I think I was interested very much.
Yes. So this year, the theme of Yuvayamini is the Guru Shishya Parampara. So,
Okay.
on those lines, can you tell us a few interesting incidents about your learning journey or your relationship with your gurus?
Yeah, it's a very big relationship, because from my Anandi teacher, she's teaching me everything, not only music. She's teaching me everything. Like I went to her home before some 2 years and stayed there. So she taught me so many things about the life and everything. So she always talk about Bhagavad Gita, everything. And she always uh, tell me her experiences also in this music. Every gurus are like that only. So that's a very big relationship, and they all give us everything, knowledge and everything. Their experiences also they'll share with us. So I love that relationship.
Very nice. So, you're saying that it's not only about teaching you the music, it is a lot
Yes, yes,
more a spiritual guidance and guidance about life. That's lovely.
yes, yes, yes.
That's lovely. And what have you learned anything? Are there any lessons that you've got from them in terms of it could be anything, just dedication or discipline, um, anything, any lessons that you have learned and that you can share with our viewers?
Yes, yes, that my gurus always talk about the dedication towards the music. Because it's very important for music, the dedication, devotion, and everything. If we lose that dedication somewhere, the music will go from far away. It go far away from us. So we should be very careful about that. I think that we should not lose our dedication towards the music. So they always talk about that, the dedication and devotion towards the music. It's very important to learn also. It's very important to be a musician. If even I am a performing artist also, so it's a very important thing to perform in the stages and everything. So they always talk about that.
That's beautiful. You spoke about dedication and not only that, devotion too. You have to sing
Yeah.
devotion. Yes, that's lovely. What about the discipline bit? What have you learned about discipline and how do you remain disciplined about music?
Okay. I think I am very small to speak about that.
Okay. Okay.
So,
So
uh,
do you practice? Do you maintain a regular practice schedule?
yes, yes. After lockdown, I started practicing and I got time also. So many time I got to practice. Before that, I had programs also. So sometimes my practice schedules may break in between that. No, so I was traveling so much. So now I got so many time. So I am happy because of this lockdown period. I got so many time also. So I'm
Yes.
practicing. I have a practice schedule. So that in the morning session I have some vocal techniques, vocal exercises. And also I forgot to tell that I'm learning vocal exercises from Srimati Shyamala Vinod ma'am from Chennai.
Nice.
So that also I practice. And I always practice in the night that time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you practice for many hours a day, that means.
Yeah.
That's very nice. That's lovely.
And I always hear music also. That's also very important, I think.
Yes. Can you tell us a little
Yeah,
more about why it's important? Listening to music, why is it so important?
because for a performing artist, we will get so many things from others, like their singing style and their creativities. We'll get so many things like that. So that's also very important for a performing artist. I think. Yeah.
Thank you. That's a lovely tip that you gave us.
Yeah.
So you also recorded a lot of videos that are very popular on YouTube. But how
Yes.
did that start? How did that journey start?
Okay. Actually, I went to Kuldipetan at my age of 9 or 10. So my first video was Ganesha Pancharatnam along with him. So we didn't have a plan like uh, doing a video and putting it in YouTube, but we just did that, and it came out well. And after that we started the series. We started the series as Vande Guru Parampara and started the uh, videos, putting it in YouTube. So it went very well. So I was very happy at that time because we didn't plan anything. It all come like that. Uh, that was the thing. And after that, we started the series and uh, started doing videos also. And we firstly we'll record the songs from the studio, and after that we'll plan the shoot and everything.
Okay. You
Yeah.
record the voice in a studio and then you plan a shoot around it. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Lovely. And what are the kind of what feedback have you got? I know you said it's become very big, but can you tell us what delighted you about the feedback? Was there anything that you liked?
Um, Yes, yes, I sang a solo. I think you all know Hanuman Chalisa. It was also an important song in my life. So I practiced that song 108 days, and after that I recorded that song.
How many days?
108 days.
Oh,
After that I recorded. Yeah. So if we sing that every day, we'll get a perfection, no? So that's after that I recorded that song from Kuldeep Ettan studio. So it was his planning also to. I was very small at that time, so it was a difficult thing to learn that well. So I started chanting it 108 days. So after that we recorded that, and so many people loved that, I think. So now every people are hearing that every day. So it's a daily process also for them, like hearing that in the morning a
right.
time like that.
It's lovely. So
Yeah.
when you're saying that, you know what, did you find any difference in yourself after chanting it for 108 days?
Yes, yes, of course, because at that time I started learning at that time. I just had some difficulties to manage that pronunciation and everything. So after that chanting days, I can see the difference
Yes.
in the pronunciation, also in the parts like the tune. Sometimes the tune is also difficult for me because I was very small at that time. So I got the difference. So
Yes. Of course.
I loved that.
Yes. How old were you then?
I was 10 years old at that time.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, it's giving so many people so much joy. So that's great. Congratulations to you and Deepai.
Thank you, thank you.
So have you received any feedback from famous personalities,
Yes,
musicians?
yes, yes. So many musicians like KJ Yeshudas sir. I went to Chennai for a program, so I saw him, and he also talked me to like he's hearing my songs every day. So I was very happy, and so many musicians in that traveling time. No, we all see every musicians. Like I was very happy at that time. They are all hearing us.
Very nice. So,
Yeah.
Sushil, I have one last question for you. What are your dreams when it comes to music or as a musician?
Um,
What are your aspirations?
as a musician, I like to be a Carnatic musician only. Then I like every type of music, and I like to experience and explore every type of music. So, but I like Carnatic music as a performing artist. I like Carnatic music to perform, I like to be a Carnatic musician. And after all that, I like every kind of music. So I like to explore everything.
That's lovely.
Yeah. Now I am doing bhajan concerts. So I like to improve from that also as a Carnatic singer. So that's my aim.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
So just wanted to wish you all the very best. You are
Thank
much
you.
loved. We all watch your videos a lot, and we pray and hope for the very best in your life as a musician. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
So Suri Gayatri, can you sing something for us? Can you maybe sing the Hanuman Chalisa, a little bit of
Yes,
from?
yes. I can sing the first sloka of Hanuman Chalisa.
Okay, that'll be great.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरणो रघुवर विमल यश जो दायक फल बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु क्लेश
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you. That was so
Thank you.
sweet and so beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.